Hey, Injured and Insured Gadgets family. So today we're going to be walking you through the claims and registration of the Insured Gadgets warranty. So the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go to insuredgadgets.com and you'll want to click claims right here or claims at the bottom of the page. Okay. So from there, it's going to say, hey, if you've ordered this prior to September 1st, please click here. So that's where you're going to use your registration or claim if you purchased it prior to September 1st. And if it's after September 20th, you'll click here. Okay, so from this page, you can actually register your warranty or file a claim. So let's say we're registering a warranty. You want to choose what device you're going to be registering, if it's a smartphone, a tablet, a laptop, or a wearable. So let's just choose a smartphone, and let's start filling out this information. So you want to be as accurate as possible here, so make sure you type in the whole model, not just like iPhone. And then for your product IMEI, let's just use a fake IMEI generator, just since we're doing this for demonstration purposes. And if you're unsure of your IMEI number, you can find it in your Android through settings. If you go to your About phone, it'll be IMEI, as well as on an iPhone, it'll be in settings, general, about, and then IMEI. You'll want to take a screenshot of this page because you have to upload it in the next step. Next, just choose your purchase date of your screen protector, and then where you purchased it from. Gadget Store 123 in Florida. All right. Next, you want to upload a screenshot of the About page that shows your IMEI, what I was saying right here. So you'll want to screenshot that and upload it. So I'm just going to use a basic image here. Upload your receipt from your purchase. So I'm just going to upload a random PDF here as well. You can take a photo of it and upload it in JPEG or PNG format. And then your warranty number. So this will be on a little slip that came with your warranty. So you'll want to put that number right here. It should be a 8-digit number. Okay. Next, it's going to ask you for your contact information. So John Test, my address is 123 Testing Lane. My zip code is 30092. It should auto-populate your city and state. Here, you're just going to put in your phone number and your email. So let's just use our support email at Insured Gadgets. Okay, choose next from that page. All right, so now you'll want to upload an image of your product screen just to show that it's not cracked. Please do not upload a screenshot of your screen. We need to verify that your screen is not cracked. So you need to upload an image of your product screen that you are registering. We'll take that in PDF, JPEG, or PNG. And you'll want to upload an image of your packaging warranty slip. And that's what this will look like. So that should be included. Your warranty code will be right here. It's a scratch off. You want to take a photo of that and upload that as well, just so we can verify your actual registration and that you aren't using somebody else's registration. All right, so we'll go ahead and submit this. Right there, it's submitted. You'll receive an email within 1 to 3 business days via email. When you're filing a claim, you'll be able to log into this portal right here and file your claim there. But that is the entire submission and registration process. Thank you so much for being a valued customer of Insured and Injured Gadgets.